Looking for the right benchtop mortiser but feeling overwhelmed by the choices? Today, we are walking through the best options, from weakest to best, so you can pick the one that truly fits your shop. This is our starting point and the weakest option in the lineup, mainly because it is built more for light, casual use than serious woodworking. It is affordable and accessible, but when you line it up next to the others, it feels more like a basic helper than a real workhorse. It does have some nice touches, like a sturdy metal body, a safety switch, and a long handle that gives you a bit more leverage. For small projects, soft wood, or hobby use, it gets the job done and does not feel flimsy. It is also fairly compact, which is great if your workspace is limited. Where it falls behind is in power and overall cutting authority. On harder woods, it struggles compared to the others, and the smaller bit range limits what you can do. You also do not get the same smooth, confident operation that the higher-ranked models deliver. If you are just getting started working in pine or softer woods and want something affordable, this one can make sense. But if you plan to build furniture, doors, or thicker hardwood projects, you will probably outgrow it quickly. That is where the next option starts to look more appealing. Links to all the products from this review at the best prices are in the description under the video. This one takes a step up in power and speed, which immediately makes it feel more capable than the previous model. It is faster, more energetic, and feels more eager to cut when you pull the handle. The stronger motor and higher speed mean cleaner cuts in many cases, and the included chisels give you more flexibility right out of the box. It also has some user-friendly features like a safety shield and a gas-assisted handle that makes pressing down easier on your arms. However, this model is held back by uncertainty. Detailed capacity limits are not always clear, and the brand does not have the same long track record as the bigger names here. That makes it a little harder to trust for long-term heavy use, especially if you plan to rely on it day after day. This is a good choice if you want more power than a budget machine but are not quite ready to pay for a premium brand. It suits a growing hobbyist who wants better performance but is willing to accept a bit of risk in exchange for value. If you are enjoying this breakdown so far, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you do not miss future reviews like this. This model sits comfortably in the middle of the pack and is often seen as a great value option. It balances price, features, and reliability in a way that makes it very appealing to home woodworkers. It comes with multiple chisels, has a solid cast body, and feels more stable and predictable than the lower-ranked machines. It does not try to be flashy, but it does its job consistently and without fuss. The main drawback is that it still lacks the muscle and refinement of the higher-end models. On very hard woods or deep cuts, you will feel it working harder, and you may need more passes or more physical effort from your side. This is a great pick for someone who wants a dependable tool for weekend projects, furniture builds, and general woodworking without spending a premium price. For many people, this is the sweet spot between cost and performance. This one feels more refined and professional compared to the mid-range option. Even though the motor number is similar, the overall build quality and precision make it feel more capable and more trustworthy. The adjustments are smoother, the structure is more solid, and it feels like a tool that was designed with accuracy in mind. It holds its settings well, cuts cleanly, and gives you more confidence when working on important pieces. The only real downside is that it still cannot match the sheer power and depth capacity of the top model. If you are working with very thick hardwood or doing production-level work, you may wish for a bit more strength. This is ideal for serious hobbyists and small professional shops that value precision, reliability, and build quality over raw power. This is the best overall benchtop mortiser in this group, and it earns that title through strength, stability, and thoughtful design. It simply feels like a professional tool the moment you start using it. The heavy weight keeps it planted, the motor has plenty of strength, and the controls are smooth and precise. Everything about it feels solid, from the handle to the fence to the way it holds your workpiece firmly in place. Its main drawback is the price and the weight. It costs more and it is not something you move around easily. But if you value accuracy, repeatability, and long-term reliability, those trade-offs make sense. This is the right choice for dedicated woodworkers, furniture builders, and anyone who wants the best benchtop performance without stepping up to a full-floor standing machine. If you want to see the top choices again, check the links in the description under the video. And if this helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest tool reviews.